It is 10 p.m. right now, and I have too many backlogs to cover. So let's see how many backlogs I can cover, and we are going to cover that backlog by pulling an all-nighter. Yes, you heard it right. From the past few vlogs, I was always saying that I'm going to pull an all-nighter, but I never did that. Excuse me, but today we are going to get things done by pulling an all-nighter. When I was in 10th, I used to pull all-nighters. Like, it was really easy for me. It was a piece of cake for me. But जब से मैं 11th में आई, तब से I don't know what happened to me. Till 10th I was good. जब तक 10th था I was doing fine, like in studies. But 11th में I don't know what happened to me. Like, I'm not able to pull an all-nighter, and I'm not even able to wake. That is really messed up. I have boards in few months. I think 6 months, 7 months. Feb में तो start हो ही जाता है. It is June, so July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. I have only 8 months. I need to clean this desk because I can't study in mess, and after that I'm going to eat my dinner. So मैंने ये lamp लिया है, so you can see the lighting. I'm looking like a good content creator, but it's okay since I am not getting any views. It does not matter. Yeah. Also, I'm thinking to cut sugar and do dieting because मेरा ये डबल चिन कुछ ज़्यादा ही विजिबल है. Guys, literally I'm so dumb. Like, I was explaining for the past few minutes कि मुझे क्या क्या पढ़ना है, मेरे कितने backlogs है in this diary, and मैं record कर रही थी, and I realized that अभी कि that was set on time lapse. वो time lapse पे set था. So I was saying कि मेरे कुछ backlogs हैं obviously. तो मेरे backlogs हैं LRDI में and maths में, and तो उसमें कुछ बैकलॉग्स है, एंड मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि वो बैकलॉग्स मेरे कंप्लीट हो जाएं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ही है, एंड बिजनेस स्टडीज में भी थोड़े, बट आई डोंट माइंड दैट बिकॉज वो हो जाएगा मेरा कंप्लीट. उसमें एक ही चैप्टर है, बट उसका जो मैथ्स का एंड LRDI का है, फिर वो क्या में भी है, वर्क में भी है. आई थिंक एक लेक्चर वो भी आधा देख रखा है मैंने, बस LRDI एंड मैथ्स का मुझे है. तो या वो एक दिन में तो नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज बहुत है. मैंने आज भी कुछ ट्राई किया था कंप्लीट करने का, एंड एक लेक्चर मैंने देख रखा है, लेक्चर ही मैंने हो गया ख़त्म. बट वी आर गोइंग टू. So I started with my favorite subject, which is cons, obviously. So yeah, the first session was pretty hard for me because I was feeling really sleepy. So I decided to change a lot of places. Then I decided to study on my desk. Otherwise, I thought that I'll sleep. And then it was 1 hour in. Basically, I was only studying cons for the few hours. Then I was revising all the formulas and some concepts because it is really hard. Yeah, that's what I was doing. It is 2 a.m. and from the past few hours I was completing my cons backlogs, and एक ही lecture हुआ है. I don't think I am able to study cons because जितना भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स था मेरे दिमाग में चला गया है, एंड अब अगर मैंने कुछ भी ट्राई किया और ज़्यादा पढ़ने का कॉन्स में, तो आई थिंक मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा. एंड द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज़ आई वाज स्टडिंग फॉर 3 hours continuously without any break. So that is fucking stupid on me. But yeah, so now I'm thinking to start LRDI. उसमें भी देखती हूँ, अगर मुझे समझ आएगा तो मैं करूँगी, वरना otherwise I'm going to business studies and vocab. Let's see. So basically I thought that doing LRDI will drain my energy, but it was completely opposite. It was so fun, like I really liked the lecture, and honestly it was really engaging. My brain has stopped functioning, and now there is nothing my brain can process. It is 3 a.m. Yeah, it is 3 and 10 a.m. For the past few hours, I was studying cons, LRTI, work, yeah, in work without any break. So I'll update you what I did from what I did in this 1 hour. So, but after studying for 3 hours straight, I need to take a break. Otherwise, I'll go crazy. I mean, I am crazy, but still. So also my luck. I literally charged my lamp whole day, and when I have to shoot the video, I don't know what happened to it. It just चलता ही नहीं है. एंड तो मैंने अभी इसे चार्ज में लगाया था. अब इसका बैटरी फिर डाउन हो गया. सो अब 3:10 हो गया. तो मैं थोड़ी देर का ब्रेक लूँगी 3:40 और आई डोंट नो कब तक. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज द मेस आई हैव मेड बाय माई बुक्स. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी और नॉट. ऑब्वियसली यू गाइस कांट सी बिकॉज अंधेरा है. बट या तो उसे मैं क्लीन करूँगी एंड मैं थोड़ा म्यूजिक सुनूंगी एंड आई वॉन्ट टेक नैप. मैं नैप नहीं लूँगी. अदरवाइज दैट नैप वो नैप सीधा 10 बजे मेरा आँख खुलेगा. सो आई एम थिंकिंग नॉट टू टेक अ नैप. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस. थोड़ा अपना बॉडी चलाऊंगी. अदरवाइज माई बैक हर्ट्स अ लॉट. मेरी मम्मा बोलती है कि अभी से क्या करूँ मैं. Plus, there are 3 more lectures to watch in LRTI. So I've just completed this lecture, and yeah, don't forget that. So what I did, like I completed this lecture, then also I completed this lecture. And you have to see here. Time देखो. But there is still 1 lecture left. So and algebra, there are two more. So I have many lectures left to complete. And work का मेरे को ये भी करना है. तो मैं ये सुबह भी कर लूँगी. I don't like work के लिए उतना मेरे से हो जाएगा. But I'm thinking to take a break. So it is 3:30 एंड और मैं अपना बुक्स ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही थी. मतलब अभी मुझे जो वर्बल एबिलिटी जो पढ़ना है तो मैं बस यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही थी. Here I was doing my last study session, and in this lecture we are practicing essays questions, and it was really nice. It was really fun. And yeah, that's what I did. And so we did complete the challenge, and it is 5 a.m. and अभी सुबह हो चुकी है. And I have completed my backlogs in work, and I still have backlogs in LRTI and cons, but at least I made some progress. मैंने 3 लेक्चर्स देख लिए रात भर में, एंड वो भी 2 घंटे के. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. ऑल्सो मैंने बस एक ब्रेक लिया, लाइक लिटरली. So I don't know what happened to my mic, but yeah, we did complete the challenge, and we did pull an all-nighter. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.